By the way, if you don't drink coffee, like, what do you do in the day? When you wake up in the morning, is this like the best you feel all day long? Or do you like, what do you, I just don't understand how you cannot drink coffee. Like, I have a friend that doesn't drink coffee. It's never come in our friendship because we're friends like that, you know, I mean, we're cool. I just want to know, like, how can you go through life without coffee? It's delicious. You know, and even if it's like bitter, if you drink it black, you know, because I drink it straight up black because, you know, dude. And I mean straight black, and I roast my own, and it's dark and it's delicious, and like I can smell it from a mile away. I can even tell. There was a new roaster in town the other day. They opened uptown Charlotte. It's a new coffee company, and they roast their own beans. And I'm walking down the street, walking around uptown Charlotte, and I came across it, and it was like, I know that smell, because roasting coffee doesn't smell like coffee. It smells like kind of a burning sensation. But it makes it like gets to you in the same way that, you know whenever someone is cooking bacon, like you always know there's bacon in the house and it's delicious. Yeah, and holy cow. And to me, coffee is my bacon, and bacon is my bacon as well, because bacon is freaking awesome too. So what I'm getting at here is coffee, bacon. You know what else is good? You know what else is good? Toast. Coffee, bacon, and toast. And scrambled eggs and grits and hash browns. If there was a meal where you could eat hash browns and grits and bacon and eggs and drink coffee, that meal would be the best meal of the day. I mean, that's like, put cheese in the grits. So cheese in the grits, coffee, toast, hash browns, eggs, bacon, waffles. We all need waffles. Do you like pancakes? Well, pancake your ass down the street and get me some damn waffles, because I like waffles. And I don't want to waste your time, but I've already wasted a lot. And I was wondering, you know, what would you do? What would you do if you're watching this channel? I know you came here for FPV content, and I know you think I have FPV content, and I know how it is. I know how it is. I get it. And I don't have very much FPV content today. Frankly, I'm just stating that up front. This is more of a coffee talk of coffee proportions, but I do have FPV content. And I was wondering, this is going out to all of you. All of you. What would you be doing if you didn't have FPV? What would you be doing? I had to look deep inside of myself and ask. I said, self, you talking to me? You talking to me? Yeah, sounds like you talking to me. There's nobody else in the room. You're talking to me. Self, what would you be doing without FPV? Are you still talking to me? Huh? What? What would you be doing without FPV? If you weren't out flying for 10 hours at a time, what would you be doing? Huh? Do you know Roosevelt and his advisors pushed their ambitions to reform a program that spring? No, really. I mean, really, what would you be doing without FPV? Philosophy is a walk on a slippery rock. Religion is a shot in the dark. I'm not aware of too many things. I know what I know, if you know what I mean. Were you talking to me? Philosophy.